it's future Dr. Sean Ling and Evan Dittmar here. We're just took our grueling step 1 exam, and we're celebrating by going to Europe. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell, share, comment, and then also I need to speed this up because we're gonna be late to our flight. If I don't,
yeah, we're gonna be very late.
Yeah.
A couple people held us back because of incessant complaining.
Yeah.
So
now
we were only 2 hours early. We cut it close.
So we're gonna sign off now, and then we're gonna see you in where are we going?
Syria.
Why does it be so awkward?
Shook. Are you having fun? What was your favorite part about the Museum of Science?
I liked the exhibits that were broken.
Me too.
I liked the beef jerky.
The most important material.
Guilt tripped into getting a donation.
You gave a donation?
No. I don't donate.
What was your favorite part of the Science Museum, Haley?
I didn't like it.
Wow. Not a real scientist, huh? I guess that's what you expect.
This is proof that the Earth spinning another way does not change the timing of the flight. And I actually like, if that's true, I really do feel bad for. I think it sucks. I don't know. Don't delete that. I said some confidential information there. Delete it or I will sue you.
Oh.
Are you still recording? Child pornography. Now you have to delete it. I could easily take those guns off of the security guards right now.
Good work.
This is for Sean's video.
Wow. So meta.
Here's Ev taking a video. There's Haley taking a video. There's Ev taking a video. There's Sean. Sean got a 220 on Snap.
What's your favorite thing that you did today?
The walking.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's good.
The gypsies too. I
You're
fought
like-
off 3 of them. I only lost 2 of my credit cards.
How can you tell that they're a gypsy?
The smell.
Do you like spending all this time with Evan?
I love it.
Hey Evan, what are the gypsies' weaknesses?
The biggest weakness of a gypsy is not being looked at.
I'm doing a video. Look natural. Hey Evan, I have a question for you. If you, me, Ev, or Haley were lost in London, who would die first?
Like, because I ate them?
Yeah. Who would you eat first?
I think the obvious choice is Haley.
Why?
Ev is like, that's like foreign meats. Well, I guess Haley is too. I guess we all are. I don't know. Who would die first though? I guess we'll still Haley. Probably.
Why do you say that?
She has weak knees.
That's a fact.
Valgus.
That's also a fact.
And she would lose in a fight to almost anyone on Earth.
That is also a fact. You think that if her and Ev got in a fight that
Ev would win,
Ev would
definitely.
win? Yeah.
Ev would probably beat me up in a fight.
That doesn't say very much though.
I mean, people think so at first glance, but once they fight me, they realize that I'm basically Roy Jones Jr.
No.
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Thank you, cheers.
Look how funny this is.
Enjoy.
Look how funny this is.
Oh, that's... We'll try to steal your girl yet again. You know?
I just got that on tape. he's gonna hear about this.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to
father
brief you on
will
the
hear
safety
about
procedures
this.
of this aircraft. We ask that you remove your personal
And-
headphones until the end of the briefing. All of devices, including phones, must not be in flight.
He's gonna
Safe mode is switched
fish,
off. Inhale.
catch the biggest
Secure
fish.
your place into
He's
your
gonna
pocket.
train the fish.
Larger devices, including
The
laptops,
fish will
must be
attack
switched off
me.
and stowed away
School
safely.
of
Thank you.
fish. And that will be the end of you.
Fucking time for this shit. We're so fucking behind. My thoughts. I really feel like going to a country where I'm gonna get sick every single day. Where women are openly raped.
Yeah, it's been like 10-20 minutes. What are you doing? Are you stretching your fascia?
No, my fucking calf is killing me. Everything is killing
Is it the 14 miles you walked today? Really?
Oh no, let me
Yeah, but it was worth
check.
You know what? I could beat the shit out of you right now.
Think
I just want you
so?
to know that. I would
Think
fucking
so?
destroy you. You would, instantly I'd pop you right in the mouth. And I'd fucking Gregor Clegane your eyes. See, you can't even block. See, you didn't even move your arm until like 4 punches in. I'd fucking Roy Jones Jr. your ass. That would work.
I'm glad you can beat up a drunk girl.
Yeah, hell yeah.
And then after you take off your pants, hey, why you take your pants off? My balls was hot.
Then I just drop a fat deuce on the ground.
No.
Mark my territory.
Yikes.
My balls was hot. Donald Trump called me up and said, "You gotta beat this Russian motherfucker."
14.2. That's the most we've walked.
Tomorrow,
That's a lot.
Let's go.
That's 2 miles more than we walked ever in London.
All right. Tomorrow, we'll.
I'll find me later.
Parts were filmed there. I'm not entirely sure. Tear me off. You can see that baguette, bro. Dude.
Man, where can a kid get some Heineken around here?
In Spanish, you idiot.
No, in French, you idiot.
Really?
Here, what? Here. Yeah, I Google Translate.
Yeah. Look.
Go. Okay, you go there. Ask her.
No one's asking her anymore. But we need them.
Fiend. And yes. Yep. Do something cool.
Oh, this just was like 30 minutes ago when I was really tired.
I know, right?
Why are you filming this? It's like literally nothing.
It's funny.
This doesn't taste good.
Yeah. What? Oh, is it because it's vinegar? Is it because
What does it taste like,
vinegar?
Sean?
I'll try it.
It tastes like vinegar, doesn't it?
It doesn't taste like vinegar. It just tastes bad.
It has a slightly vinegar smell. Does
It
it not?
tasted fine last night.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You guys think wine turns into vinegar in 24 hours?
The bacteria start working
This joke's
instantly.
been out of hand.
Okay, just drink it, Evan, please. Yeah, we should be taking time off.
Let's go, garçon. Garçon.
Would you like to pour me? Would you like me to pour?
Do it. Don't be laughing.
You want me to stop?
Smells like piss.
Are you kidding me? Good thing you got that on video.
How would you describe the taste?
I got hints of wood and sand,
Dr. Pepper, and chicken nuggets.
Wow. Le incredibile.
This is my favorite one
Why?
because of the chicken nugget aftertaste.
Oui, oui. You are drinking it wrong.
Evan, I hate one.
Life is a highway and I'm doing it mine.
That's not how the song goes.
It's from the movie Cars, okay?
No, it's I'm gonna ride it all night long.
No, it's
That's
Life
the
is a
next. Sean, this is your chance to be on camera.
Look at that horsey. I like horses.
Look at all the semen.
Joke's already been made.
Drink.
My shoes are Gore-Tex, so I can't.
Gore-Tex. What are you doing?
Drinking water.
Gore-Tex, more like Gore-Mex.
All right. Step on it.
Let's go. You have to have mine.
Oh god! I forgot how small this thing is. It holds like 2 ounces. That's what she said.
This jardín is
Look at the
beautiful.
azaleas. Step in the water. Yep, there you go.
No!
Oh no!
I talked to you wet.
You should.
You can blame Max for this one. I'll look it up. I don't really know.
God.
Bonjour.
Wake up. Ducks.
Much better. Walk in the car.
Right? 3 bullseye. Bird's eye.
What the fuck?
1 bird's eye.
Dude, no, you mean 2 bullseye. Give me 1
Bird's eye. Find a bird's eye.
Batu batu.